Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be potting up some container plants. They're going to be temporary and I'll change them out. For that reason, I'll be planting in a nursery pot, and I will be placing the nursery pot in a decorative cover pot, and that way I can change it out throughout the year as what's in bloom or what's in season comes on. Right now I'm in very early May and there's hardly anything ready for my zone. This is a creeping phlox, which I just picked up from Home Depot, and it's pretty hardy to this zone even in the cool May nights that we can get. And this is a foxtail fern that I bought last year and I overwintered in my house. It's kind of a nice centerpiece type of accent plant. I'll put these together and you can see already how beautiful it's going to look. What I have in this container is some standard potting mix, and I've added or cut in an additional 25% perlite to make sure it remains light and airy. I'm probably only going to keep this container together for 4 to 6 weeks, after which time I'll remove the creeping phlox and plant it out into my regular garden and put a different type of spiller along the edge. Today is what I would refer to as a top 10 weather day. It's mid to upper 60s, a light breeze, and the sun is shining. The birds have been out singing all day. The bees are on the flowers. This is my first outdoor container planting. So I'm going to remove this. We'll see how the roots did over the winter. Hopefully they're good. And I always save my nursery pots to reuse for other projects. So when I plant this, I'm going to keep it towards kind of the back of the container, and I'm going to put the creeping phlox in the front. Creeping phlox is an absolutely wonderful plant. It grows really well in our zone. This is zone 4. It'll put on a nice display for up to 4 weeks, and then it will spread along the ground. So it's deer and bunny resistant, which is also a really good thing. You can see the roots on this. I'm going to leave it. I'm not going to do anything with it. I'm just going to plant it in here, because what I said is I will end up pulling it out of here in the end. So what you want to do is make sure you lift up and really tuck the soil in around there, so you have soil all the way around the root ball. You don't want any air pockets in there. It's really hard on them if that happens. So that is one done. I have 2 more to do. So I'll time lapse the video so you don't have to watch me do the whole thing again. So I did check before I started this project what temperature, the minimum temperature of the Foxtail Fern is. And the minimum temperature for the Foxtail Fern is 20 degrees Fahrenheit. And right now I'm only getting down to 40 degrees finally, minimum, or 50 degrees, and we're starting to warm up. Finally, it's been a very long winter. So this was a fun project. I was glad I could share with you. If this video is helpful, give us a thumbs up so YouTube knows to share this content with others. Also, check my playlists, which are in the description below. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great day.